Hello students, today I am going to teach you unit number 1, integers. Here I will explain what are integers and properties of additions of integers. What are integers? All natural numbers, 0 and negatives of counting numbers are called integers. All natural numbers, you know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. 0 and negatives of counting numbers means when we put a minus sign before the numbers, before the counting numbers, they are called negative numbers. Minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, these are negative numbers, negative counting numbers. These are called integers. So, what are integers? All natural numbers, 0 and negatives of counting numbers are called integers. Here are the examples. You can take any of the number, minus 3, minus 4, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. All natural numbers, these are the natural numbers. These are the negatives of natural counting numbers, and 0. These are the examples of integers. I hope you understood. Now come to properties of addition of integers. There are 5 properties of additions of integers. First property is closure property of addition. What is the meaning of closure property of additions? When we add two numbers, two integers, their sum is also an integer. This is the closure property of addition. Suppose you have two integers, 4 and 5. When you add 4 and 5, 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. 4 and 5 both are integers. When we add these two integers, 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. 9 is also an integer. This is called closure property of addition. Now come second, commutative law of addition. What is commutative law of addition? If there is two numbers, two integers, a and b, when we add a and b, a plus b, and when we add b plus a, both sides will be equal, and a plus b is equal to b plus a. This is called commutative law of addition. You can add a plus then b, and you can add b plus a. Both the answer will be the same. So this is called commutative law of addition. Now come to third, associative law of addition. What is this associative law of addition? When we add three numbers in any way, suppose there are three numbers a, b and c. When we add a, b, c, suppose when we add b plus c, then b and c, then we add a, and when we add a plus b, then we add c. Both sides will be equal. This is called associative law of addition. Now come to fourth property, existence of additive identity. It's very easy. When we add 0, in any of the integers, we will get the same integer. Suppose a is an integer. When we add a plus 0, when we add 0 in a, we will get the 0 plus a is equal to a. Now come to fifth, existence of additive inverse. What is this? Existence of additive inverse. When we add two integers, two same integer, one is positive and one is negative, we will get the 0. Suppose a is a positive integer and b is a negative integer. When we add a and minus a and minus a will be when a plus in bracket minus a. When we remove minus bracket, a minus a, a minus a is equal to 0. These are the 5 properties. These are very important. I explained here. I hope you have understood what are integers and properties of integers. These are very important. Thank you.